Once you've installed GL1, you'll have an additional toolbar available to you in Excel. To log into SAP, simply click on the Log On button, select the connection you want to use, insert your client number, your normal SAP username and password, and click the Log On button. You'll be presented with the company codes that you have access to. GL1 allows you to connect to one or multiple company codes simultaneously. Once logged in, your GL1 toolbar is now available for use. To create reports, simply use GL1 functions to retrieve data directly out of SAP. A simple function is your getObjectDescription function. Simply link your company code, your FICO object number, so in this case account group, so FICO object number 11, and link it to the account group value, and the GL1 getDescription function will return the description directly out of SAP. Because this is a function in Excel, you can simply copy and paste this function across your report. To retrieve balances out of SAP, simply select the appropriate Get Balance wizard and then choose from the appropriate parameters in the drop-down lists available to you. Lastly, select the account group from your list of values. Once you've selected all of your parameters, you can click OK, and the wizard will create your GL1 function and retrieve that balance from your SAP instance based on those parameters. To make this function dynamic, so you're able to copy and paste it across your report, simply edit the function to link the parameters to the values in your report. This is done using standard Excel functionality. Lastly, we can link the account group to the parameter in our report. We can then click OK, and we now have a dynamic function available to us, as you can see, linked to the parameters in our report. This allows us to then simply copy and paste this function across our report in order to easily create your report in any format that you need, retrieving live balances directly out of your SAP system. Now that you've created a report, any of the parameters that you have available can easily be changed to refresh the report, bringing back the latest information from your system. If you're wanting to get more detail on these balances, you can simply double-click to fetch the line item detail for this particular balance. The details are then presented to you in a new workbook in Excel for you to use for further analysis. If you need to get further detail on a particular line item, you can double-click to drill down further and get more detail on that particular item. In addition to drilling down to transaction details, you can also analyze a balance to see what made up that balance over a particular period. That concludes our brief overview demonstration of GL1 for SAP. For more information, please visit our website.